everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I thought it would be the perfect day to show you my garden, what I've accomplished, and what's growing. I'm a novice gardener. This is my first year to plant in some of the harshest conditions. I live in Arizona, so I waited to plant until after the summer, but I have been preparing my garden beds. I think I ordered them last spring. So let me show you all my garden signs that I have bought because I really wanted some decorations here on my cyclone fence because I think it's just ugly. What happens at Nana's stays at Nana's. Got all my homegrown vegetable signs, and hopefully I will get some. And I've got a few more signs coming in. So let's go on in. Now, as you can see, I have shade cloth right now over the entire garden. I'll probably be taking it off next month. It's still pretty warm. We've got 96 degree temperature yesterday, and I believe we're getting a 98 today. So once the heat diminishes, I will take this shade cloth down. But these garden arches here, I have 2 more to put in the center to hold my shade cloth up when I need it. So let's show you my first bin. All of these bins were ordered from Amazon. I've got cherry tomatoes growing here. These little tiny plants here are my cauliflower that I just put in the other day. I've got a few marigolds here, and I want to get some more because they help to deter pests. Now this is a tomato plant that my kids got me, and it is a Cherokee purple heirloom tomato plant. And I'm getting all kinds of flowers on it, but there have been no tomatoes that have set so far. Over here is a sweet basil plant. I've got a bell pepper growing, and yes, they are starting to set fruit. So I have always wanted to put in a garden, and I thought, let's just try it because I have a large side yard here. So I thought it'd be the perfect place. This was a tiny cherry tomato plant that was half that size or less, and it's growing pretty well. This has some little cherries on them. Let's see, right here and there. Another cherry plant. Back here I have a red bell pepper plant, and it is starting to put out some little tiny bell peppers on it. This is another basil plant. In here, in this bed, I just have some herbs. This is oregano. This one is thyme, and this one is rosemary. These little hooks. I have a problem with white flies, so I ordered these little sticky sided yellow tape that I'll get today that you just hang in. It's supposed to help get rid of the whiteflies. So over here in this garden bed, I've got a row of radishes, 2 rows here. This is another bell pepper plant, and it looks like it's starting to set fruit. Another sweet pepper plant. Here I have planted some green onions, a couple rows in here. Just a few days ago, so nothing has germinated yet. And then here I have 2 rows of beets that I have planted. I have irrigation throughout all of my raised planters. In fact, here it is here. This one I don't have buried yet. And you can see where the bugs have been eating my eggplant. And it is starting to, I believe, set fruit here. They get a real pretty purple flower on them. So I'm hoping that they will turn into eggplants. I'm pretty sure that one will. It's getting very bulbous back here. So yeah, I think I will have some eggplants coming out. And right now that's all I have planted here. I think I'm going to plant some flowers in there. Over here, I don't know if you noticed, you probably can't see them, but I have all kinds of little white flies flying around. The center area here, I have carrots planted by seed. I don't know if they will germinate, but you know, you just gotta give things a try. And then these little plants here are my Brussels sprouts. I have 6 of those in there. A few more marigolds. Now I take it back. That's not Brussels sprouts. This is broccoli. I have 6 of the broccoli plants in here. Over here, I just planted these. So they're kind of droopy, but these are the Brussels sprouts. And I have 6 planted in here. So I'm really hoping that I get my seeds to germinate. Got a little seeding area back there and my little metal sculptures of my aloe vera. In the very, very far corner, I have a composter I have not started to use yet. And then I'm going to, against that wall over there, I'm ordering just a little greenhouse. It's about, I don't know, 6 foot by 6 foot by about 7 foot tall. And it's inexpensive, but I have lots of seeds I want to plant and I need some place to put them. So we'll see how that works. I have all my hoses back there. I still have to tack down and bury. Like I say, I have Stoker hoses in each one of my bins. That bright green hose is just my regular garden hose. I'm going to put some little pretty little garden flags out here. And this was bought from Temu. It's so cute, this watering can. It has a strand of clear lights that looks like water is pouring out. Really pretty at night. And I'm going to be adding more lighting back here. I'm really enjoying it, but it is a lot of work. And I just hope I get fruit or vegetables. But everything I've put in seems to be thriving. There's another couple little, whoops, cherry tomatoes here. There. So there's my garden. I'll give you updates as things start to produce vegetables, I hope. So I want to thank you all for joining me today. Sailor, my golden retriever puppy, just turned 6 months old, and I'm going to share just a little video on her at the end of this. And she's calmed down some. She's very hyper, but she got a big birthday present. All right, you guys, stay tuned for Sailor. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Thanks, Sailor. You like that? Is that a good happy birthday present? Hopefully that will keep you from eating the rocks. So when you come outside, you can have that. Yeah, instead of eating rocks. Oh, I bet you like it. I don't know what kind of bone it is. Probably a cow bone. I think you love it. Was it good?